ganyan siya, madam. Knitted. Wait lang, madam Alma, ha? O, ayan, madam Alma. Ganyan siya daw. Wait lang, guys. Check ko lang. Kasi parang, merong gapas. Ay, madam Alma. Dam, i-free na lang natin to, dam. Meron siyang natanggal na sequence. Ayan. Madam Alma, free na lang to si Rosas, madam. Gora ka dito, madam Alma. O, dam, next sa uniform. Oy, dam, this one, ang ganda. For only 60, small to semi-mad. Barbie. Oy, ang ganda kasi na mo'y dalagita, madam. Small to semi-mad, 60. Maing kurat. Maing kurat, small to semi-mad. 60 pesos, madam. Mayan kurat up to semi-mad, 60. Kurat up to semi-mad. Next na, madam.
Mayan kurat. Down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine puti. Mine puti, madam. Medium for 60 pesos. Mayan puti for only 60 pesos. Next time.
Mayan puti.
Madam Riza Bihag, yours sa CCD. Please go screenshot 1313. Madam Nasir Malasarich, yours sa uniform. Please go screenshot 12313. Madam Nasir Malasarich. Dam up to medium. Dam stretchable, malambot. Up to medium for 60. Mayan poultry. My poultry, madam. Medium, madam, for 60 pesos. My poultry, madam. Medium for 60. My poultry. Next, madam.
Mayan poultry. Kurat. Madam Luis Barbon, yours is si Kurat, madam. Please go screenshot. 123, 123. Second minor. Madam Rachel Pagangkang. Down this one for only 60 pesos. Up to semi-large. Up to semi-large is 60. Mayan bundle. Mine bundle up to semi-large. 10 over 10 ang pagka-black. For only 60 pesos, madam. Mayan bundle up to semi-large 60. Bundle. Next na, madam.
Mayan bundle. Down this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large for 60 pesos. Mine ball pen. Mine ball pen, madam. Medium to semi-large for 60 pesos. Mayan ball pen for only 60 pesos. Next, madam. Mayan ball pen. Madam Ville Quibo, yours is si poultry. Please go screenshot, madam Ville. 123, second minor, madam Riza Biha. Without this one, very malambot ang tela, madam. Quality and stretchable po siya, madam. Semi-matte to medium, madam, for only 60 pesos. My picture. My picture, madam. Semi-matte to medium. For only, 60 pesos, madam. My picture. My picture. Semi-matte to medium, 60. Picture. Next, madam.
Mayan picture. Madam Eraldo May. Dam ika, fourth ka sa kurat. Next ka ni Madam Yoldi. Dam next na Madam Sani, bundle. Madam Riza Bihag, yours is si bundle, Madam Riza. Please go screenshot. 123, 123. Next na Madam, for only 60 pesos, Madam. Dam up to semi-large, 60. Semi-large, may pagka-soft linen ang kanyang tela, madam. Mine Hawaiian. Mine Hawaiian up to semi-large. 60 pesos, madam. Mine Hawaiian up to semi-large. 60 Hawaiian. Semi-large. 60 pesos. Next na, madam.
Mayan Hawaiian. Down this one, semi-med. Semi-med, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine 11. Mine 11, madam. Semi-med for 60 pesos. Mayan 11 for only 60 pesos. Next, madam.
Mayan 11.
Madam Nasir, yours na si picture. Please go screenshot, Madam Nasir Melasarich. 123, 123. Down this one for only 60 pesos. Down 10 over 10 ang pagka-black, madam. Large to XL. Large to XL, madam. Mine oversize. Mine oversize, madam. Large to XL. For only 60 pesos, madam. Mine oversize. Mine oversize. Large to XL. For only 60. Next, madam.
Mayan oversize. Madam Riza Bihag. Yours is si Hawaiian, madam. Please ka screenshot, Madam Riza. 123, 123. Dam yung suot ko daw medium. 10 over 10 ang pagka-black medium. Carry pa siya semi-large. Medium to semi-large, mine rampa. Mine rampa, medium madam. Carry up to semi-large. For only 60. Ang ganda nito, dam. Mayan rampa, medium to semi-large. 60 pesos. Next na, madam.
Mayan rampa. Down this one, small to semi-med. Small to semi-med, 360 pesos. Mine papel. Mine papel, madam. Small to semi-med, 360 pesos. Mayan papel for only 60 pesos. Next na, madam.
Mayan papel. Madam Raisa Bihag, yours na si oversized. Please ka screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3. O, Madam Lalaine, Madam Lalaine, dagdagan. Yours na si Rampa. Please ka screenshot, Madam Lalaine. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Second line ng Madam Raisa Bihag. O, this one, pasito siya, madam. Pwede po siya pang cover up, semi-med, 60 pesos. Mine Olaf. Mine Olaf, madam, semi-mat, 60 pesos. Mine Olaf, madam, up to semi-mat, for only 60 pesos. Mine Olaf. Olaf, next.